Okay, hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to throw this in here real quick before the actual practice video starts. I haven't been on the track since the 18th Nationals. Not the 18th Nationals. Well, I keep on saying that. Since the J Concepts Nationals, which was back in November. So it's at least, two, 3-ish months that I haven't been at the track. So I just wanted to throw that in there. I'm shooting all over the place. I don't like the way I'm driving, but I just wanted to say that. All right? Okay, let's roll. This is the reason why my wheel keeps falling off. When I told you guys in my little review, don't over tighten this. Come on, focus. There we go. This hex right here, because if you do, it'll make it too small, and it'll do that. So just kind of tighten it down, snug, but not gorilla tight.